Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today we have the September Your Creative Studio box, so let's open it. I did not do the August one because it arrived late August and it was already like mid-September by the time I was like, oh yeah, I probably should upload that, so I never did. So here's the September one, which is still in September. Let's have a look. I forgot what it was about. It's a thank you card. He loved books, those undemanding but faithful friends. Victor Hugo. It's a book theme. Wonderful, I love books. So let's see if we can lift it up. Ah, we can. Empty box. Let's see what we get inside. We'll keep that, of course, put it off to the side. First of all, I can see some tickets. And there is no description really of what it is. I do not read. I think this is Chinese. So let's open it. These look like just paper tickets. And there's quite a few of them. Good range of them too. Different ones. There we go. Quite a few tickets. Do we see a number on here? No, so I don't even know how many there are, but I think 38. 38. Tickets. We have the stamps here, so there's 2 of them, I think. No, there's 3. Ooh, that's lovely. That is a big stack of books with, what's on top? An owl. Look how cute that is. Beautiful. Love that. It's this big one. This looks like the top of a book plate. So that's awesome. And of course, if you don't want that, you just don't stamp that and you just have that side, or you can just use one side. You know, there's 2 girls there. I will stamp these at the very end of the video. And the third one, we normally get tiny little stamps, this time we don't. This looks like a girl reading, which is adorable. So there's the stamps. And then this is the washi tape that always comes in the box, which is just some script by the looks of it. There we go, just some script. Really nice, really nice. This is very general use kind of washi, for me at least. Love that. And this is similar to a pack we had last month. So last month, no, not in August, in July, we had a pack of the similar sizes, but then florals. It's the backing card. So we have some squares here. Most of these items are always great for collaging. So there's those. Then we have a slightly bigger size. It says Marilyn Monroe Productions. That's the same as that background paper. Yeah, just plain papers. And then we have these ones, which looks like it's mainly like receipts and ledger paper. Very nice. And this is the feel of print paper. So yes, another nice addition to collaging papers. Time Traveler. We have seen this one before. Different papers, I'm sure of it. Let's have a look. By the way, this one has how many in there? 60. This one has, does it say? 60. It says 3, 30, 60. So I don't know. I don't know. It looks like it's like about 60. So again, gorgeous papers. Look at those headings. Really beautiful. Great for just adding as ephemera, just as is, to journals. Gorgeous again. Really nice. And then some squares again. By the way, I have subscribed to this box until and including December. So I will see if I will continue after that. I'm not sure because most of the items are very similar. And you know, it's nice to subscribe to a box for a little while, but when the items become too much of the same thing, I'm like, maybe it's time to unsubscribe, maybe try a different box. So this is a deco stickers, and it looks like there's 40 in here, and they look like spines of books. Interesting. And they are. Really beautiful. They are kind of small though, so they're not like a full-size journal. Let me grab a journal to show you. See if this is a just slightly bigger than A5 journal. If this would be a hardcover, this is only part of it. So yeah, it would be cool though to make like a little series of small books that have like these spines next to each other. That would be cute. Very adorable. Makes nice little sets. Anyway, also a journal on writing. This would just be very nice to have on the edge of a page, I suppose. Let me show you what I mean. And these are like washi tape or vellum stickers. They're semi see-through. Oh, they keep falling out. I will, by the way, very soon do a video on what is for sale in my October update in my shop, and this journal will be in there. So if you have a blank page like from a book, you can just put this on the edge there to have a little embellishment, or just on the edge here. You can also use them, if you wanted to use them as tabs. So you can have a very long tab here on the side and just stick this together. You can then puncture it with a little eyelet, have a dangly, that kind of thing. Or as a topper for a tag too. So this is nice. We haven't seen anything like this yet, so I appreciate that. Okay, next up is mushroom, or per se mushroom stamps, but stamps. And we had so many stamps over the last little while. I'm kind of sick and tired of them now, to be honest. But if this is your first box, obviously you wouldn't be sick and tired of it. So last box, we, I think in August box, we had some matte stamps. I did not upload that video, but matte stamps, and these are shiny again. So yeah, they're mushrooms. And I have seen these before, so, or maybe I had them in my own stash, actual real stamps, because they are based on real stamps. Yep, mushroom stamps. You know. I've got so many of them now. Alright. This is sticky notes. This book is due on the last date stamped below. Well, it's very overdue. 1931. And I think these are just sticky notes, like it says. Yep, they're all the same. But that's nice. I do like that. It's very sticky, super sticky. Okay, cool. I do like that. This we have seen before. Different imagery, I think. Yeah, 25 sheets. So I think this first sheet is glossy. Yes, it is. So this is a sticker. And then we have various pages. Oh, there's recipes in there. Cool. And they're different. But yes, these are nice. More ingredients and okay. Cookbooks, I suppose. But these are different from the other book pages that we got. Architectural antiquities. It's mostly baked goods. So, yep, Chinese ornaments. Alice in Wonderland. More Alice in Wonderland. Okay. Yeah, not bad. But again, something we have seen before. But I'm not mad about this. Not mad at all. And then we have this stuff from your creative studio. So these are clear stickers, and as you can see, they are books. And then this is vellum or rice paper, and I think there are 5 sheets, and there's also books at the bottom there. And then these contains 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art, and 6 pattern paper. And I love that they are doing larger sizes now of these papers. So these are just the normal printer paper. Oh, look at those books. Need to go through them. Armchair. Just some Baroque stuff. Books. Like that. Love green. That was that. And then we have 6 of those in thicker paper. Or I think this is actually the sticker paper. And then this is the art paper. So, I don't know if you can see this. There's a little bit of grain in there. You can see that here. A bit of a grain in there, like wallpaper. And then the vellum ones. Love the vellum ones. You can see through them. Love that. Great for layering. Oh, layering on other pieces. So very nice. Let me stamp those stamps for you so you can see what they look like. And what a gorgeous stamp. Seriously, they stamp so nicely. This is normal printer paper, and I used VersaFine in Onyx Black ink. And look at that detail. My camera wants to cooperate. There we go. Look at that. I love it. Love it so much. Beautiful. As always, the stamps are gorgeous. Let me know what you think of this month and this theme. I love book theme. I think my favorite items are definitely the stamps because they are absolutely beautiful. The book spines, and I think the papers this month, they are really nice. The rest, yeah, a lot of doubles. Well, not doubles, but things that we have seen before, and I would like to see something that's more innovative and different than what we see every month. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.